my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I am participating in a challenge called Christmas DIY Challenge, and it is hosted by Kat from Southern Farm and Kitchen. And I will have her channel linked down below. She has great recipes, tons and tons of recipes, so make sure you go check her out. So today I will be making a front door mat, so come along. So here is what I'm using. I had picked up the Merry Christmas sign from Dollar Tree. This came, I think, from Dollar Tree as well. I bought it last year. And then I'm also using my spray can. And the mat came from Home Depot. So I'm going to try and spray it evenly.
Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer, but now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe.
I have removed the stencils. I'm going to add a little bit of paint to it.
'Cause I'm trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree,
I'm also going to add a couple snowflakes using the stencil from Dollar Tree.
make you understand. I'm not
And
gonna
some white acrylic paint.
It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not gonna wait. And right around.
There we go. It is all finished. I think it's going to be a great addition to my front door. You could possibly put something on here as well, but I like it just the way it is.
For so long for you.
So I would like to thank Kat for hosting this challenge, and I will have, like I mentioned, her channel linked down below as well as the playlist. So make sure you check her out and check out the playlist after you're done watching my video. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button and stick around. And those of you who are returning, thank you so much for your continuous support. Until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.